Exploring the global airwaves requires reliable equipment to catch distant signals clearly. When searching for the best shortwave radios 2026 has to offer, listeners look for unmatched reception and sturdy builds. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Portable Shortwave Radio. This versatile unit functions as a robust emergency companion by capturing NOAA, AM, FM, and shortwave bands through automatic or manual tuning modes. Beyond news and weather monitoring, it doubles as an entertainment center featuring Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, a 5-watt magnetic speaker, and support for USB drives and TF cards for playing personal media libraries. Users who enjoy winding down to audio will appreciate the 7 built-in white noise options and an adjustable sleeper timer ranging from 10 to 70 minutes. Preparedness features include a bright 120-lumen flashlight, a built-in compass, an SOS siren, and a generous 4,000 mAh internal battery capable of recharging mobile devices. Power flexibility stands out thanks to solar panels, a hand crank mechanism, and daily Type-C charging that delivers up to 32 hours of playback. The digital scanning function easily stores up to 210 total presets across various frequencies. While local signal strength heavily dictates overall broadcast clarity, the device handles urban interference decently well. Ideal for campers and emergency planners alike, its rugged military-styled housing offers rugged durability without sacrificing everyday usability. The tactile controls feel responsive, and the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack ensures private listening during late-night scanning sessions. Overall, this model provides remarkable functional value for anyone seeking an all-in-one survival gadget but keeps both entertainment and safety front and center during unexpected grid failures or weekend wilderness excursions.
Number 2. Greadio Portable Emergency Shortwave Radio. Packed with a staggering 12 distinct functions, this outdoor-ready gadget combines digital AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather bands with modern wireless streaming capabilities. Bluetooth 5.4 integration allows seamless pairing with smartphones and tablets within a 26-foot radius, delivering balanced audio output with remarkably low distortion while stripping away unwanted white noise or annoying sleep latency bugs. For safety enthusiasts, the rugged IPX3 waterproof housing safeguards against sudden rain showers while housing a massive 14,800 mAh charger pack to revive depleted electronics during severe weather events or extended grid outages. A handy SOS alarm and a piercing flashlight add critical survival utility when navigating dark environments or signaling for rescue teams. Recharging the internal cells is straightforward thanks to the triple option design supporting a hand crank, solar panels, and standard Type-C inputs. An extra-long pull-out antenna significantly boosts signal pull, ensuring crisp reception on distant shortwave frequencies even when standard networks collapse. The compact speaker lacks deep bass, but its acoustic clarity remains impressive for voice broadcasts and casual music playback.
Number 3. Greadio Portable Shortwave Radio. Designed with the traditional aesthetic, heavily favored by seasoned hobbyists and older adults, this upgraded transistor model features a large, easy-to-read LCD display and oversized tuning knobs that simplify frequency navigation. The inclusion of an advanced digital signal processing chip alongside a lengthy telescopic antenna guarantees ultra-stable signal lock whether users are tuning in to local NPR broadcasts, live sports, or international shortwave transmissions. Audio performance is driven by a powerful 2-watt built-in speaker capable of filling medium-sized rooms with rich sound, complemented by selectable high and low tone modes to tailor the listening experience. For private listening, a standard 3.5mm headphone jack is conveniently placed on the side panel. Power versatility is a major highlight, offering a dual setup that runs on standard household AC power for daily desk use or accepts 4 standard D-cell batteries when power grids fail. A built-in clock function on the bright LCD screen transforms the unit into a practical desktop timepiece when it is not actively scanning the airwaves. While its larger footprint makes it less suited for pocket carry, a sturdy top-mounted handle ensures effortless transport between rooms, patios, or picnic spots. Ideal for families and seniors seeking straightforward operation without complicated menus.
Number 4. Tecsun PL880 Portable Digital Radio. Engineering excellence defines this high-end portable receiver, built specifically for serious DXers and radio enthusiasts who demand exceptional sensitivity and selectivity across AM, FM, long-wave, and shortwave bands. At its core lies a PLL-synthesized digital dual conversion architecture paired with single sideband capabilities that make pulling in weak, distant signals remarkably clean. The inclusion of fine 10 Hz tuning steps alongside selectable bandwidth filters, 4 for AM and 5 for SSB, allows operators to slice through heavy atmospheric noise and adjacent channel interference with surgical precision. Dual alarm clock functions and a customizable sleeper timer ranging up to 120 minutes add convenient bedside utility. Build quality is solid and professional, featuring tactile buttons and a weighted tuning knob that feels satisfyingly precise during late-night band scans. While it lacks built-in Bluetooth or solar charging features found in outdoor survival units, its primary focus remains absolute radio frequency performance. Ideal for hobbyists, amateur radio operators, and news junkies who want deep global coverage, this radio rewards patient listeners with incredible audio clarity and signal separation.
Number 5. CC Crane CC Skywave SSB2 AM Radio. Merging ultra-compact portability with professional-grade monitoring power, this miniature multiband receiver delivers full-range coverage spanning AM, FM, NOAA weather alerts, shortwave frequencies, and even VHF aviation airbands. A standout feature is the inclusion of single sideband reception, which is entirely absent on smartphones, and provides a reliable lifeline for gathering long-range information when standard communication infrastructure fails after natural disasters. The digitally tuned circuit utilizes multiple bandwidth settings and selectable fast or fine tuning steps to enhance sensitivity across crowded bands. Supported by 400 total memory presets, including 10 dedicated aviation memories. Direct frequency entry makes jumping to favorite stations effortless, while the backlit LCD display, built-in clock, and fold-out rear stand optimize usability in low light or portable setups. Power is managed efficiently, and the package includes helpful extras such as high-quality earbuds, a protective faux leather carry case, and a 23-foot portable shortwave reel antenna that dramatically improves distant station reception when plugged in to the dedicated external antenna jack. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.